So, I'm out on a hike here. I'm at the lake. Got some lame jackass in the middle of the lake playing some kind of rap bullshit. You know, people think they're out having fun, having a good time, but they're just screwing around, wasting the resources they got, wasting their energies, trying to ruin everybody's energies with senseless bullshit. You know, whether it's rap music, rock music, country music, it doesn't really matter what the kind of things are that's going on at the time. Just a matter of keeping an eye on what's around you and where you're planning on going to, what you're planning on doing, and where you're going to be planning on doing that with. So there's a lot of factors to look at, a lot of notions that we can keep track of as we look into the future. I think I'm going to turn around and take off, to be honest with you. We got some people scurrying along. We'll see what happens here shortly, won't we? So, just a matter of keeping in mind where you're going, the things that you're going to do, and the kinds of behaviors and thought process you're going to be going through to get to that other level, to get to that location that you've been thinking about and dreaming about and wondering about. So, without further ado, being out and about here, getting to where we need to go and the kind of goals that we need to have for ourselves, and never strive enough and never not have enough thought or action in order to get to that next step, that next level, and that next achievement. The next, where are we going, what are we doing, kind of thing. Getting a little leg workout here, which is always good going up a hill. Gotta get those quads moving. Hamstrings and calves all working out for you. And there's just a bunch of sorry ass people in terms of leaving trash in nature, throwing stuff out and not picking up, even if they got trash cans around the corner for park visitors. People still just leave shit all over the ground. No respect for anything else. do appreciate you lending an ear. We're coming back up top of the hill here shortly. Just gonna walk and walk. And maybe you'll follow along here. So, what's DrawDownKing about? Different things that you make the conclusion. We'll come back with a complete episode on that very soon. So I appreciate everybody sticking around these formative episodes. Get things worked out and get things moving at a better pace. Say we're coming up a hill, pretty nice little hill here to walk up. A lot of fun. You know, we're getting close to the top here. You're never truly to the top of any hill in your lifetime. But it's for us to keep looking and keep proceeding, to keep pushing along, to keep progressing, and sometimes we regress. It's just a matter of keeping perspective. Keeping perspective on things. Getting some movement in action, not only in thought and dream, but also reality. Whew. think we're still recording here. Got about 4 minutes left. All right, we're back to the home base here. A little too hot today. A little too hot. All right, I'm back. It's very hot. Very hot right now. Whew. I got about 250 here left. I got about 2 miles in. That's plenty for today. Just get back into the saddle here. All right, I might get off here just a second here and go ahead and eat and take off. So I appreciate you listening. This is DrawDownKing coming to you. DrawDownKing.